Input area, 40 square meters. One click for automated floor plan.
Esler! It's not just an estimating software, it is a CAD software where you can
One click for automated estimates.
an interior design software where you can shop and drop furnitures, appliances with locally available floor finishes like marijuana tiles and many others. Esler!
60 square meters. One click for automated floor plan. One click for automated estimates.
So we make your picture, we make your plans. And make your plans and an interior design. Software where you can shop and drop furniture, appliances, reach scale, locally available for finishes like marijuana tiles and many others. Esler is not
240 square meters. One click for automated floor plan.
basically make your plans and an interior design. Software where you can shop and drop furniture, appliances, locally available floor finishes like marijuana tiles and many others. Esler. Esler. Oh!
One click for automated estimates.
Make your plans and an interior design. Software where you can shop and drop furniture, appliances, reach scale, locally available for finishes like marijuana tiles and many others. Esler is not just an estimating software, it is a
Modify floor plan or find the materials that suits your budget.
design. Software where you can shop and drop furniture, appliances, locally available floor finishes like marijuana tiles and many others. Esler. Esler. Oh!
Automated drawing meets instant estimation. Experience the power of Esler's one-click technology that saves you time and enhances productivity.